Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Internal batteries. GoPro has released a new battery with the HERO8 Black. It's the same shape, size, and power rating as the HERO7 Black, HERO6 Black, and HERO5 Black. And, technically, you can put one of the older batteries inside the HERO8 Black and power the camera with all of the same features available.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In fact, just its image stabilization features alone make it one of the best action cameras on the market. However, if you are a vlogger, or spend a lot of time talking to the camera, then the front-facing microphone and optional media mod, light mod and display mod accessories make the GoPro Hero 8 well worth buying.
Take our lead.
HERO8 Black is rugged and waterproof right out of the box, but this tough housing handles anything you can throw at it. It protects from dirt and flying debris during intense action, plus, it's waterproof down to 196 feet, 60 meters, and perfect for deep water diving.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
GoPro 8 charging while recording. If you want to record longer than the life of the battery, simply remove the internal battery, plug in an external power source and the camera will run as long as it has power. This will also help keep the camera cool as there is more room for airflow inside the camera.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.